celebrating Africa's rich cultural heritage.
Passengers from Lagos and other states who are traveling for the Eid-El-Filtri celebration joined the free train service provided by the Osun State government. The beneficiaries, which comprise passengers from Lagos, Ogun, and Oyo State, arrived safely at the Osogbo train terminus at about 7 p.m. to join their families and friends for the festive season. The State Commissioner for Commerce, Industry and Cooperative, who received the travelers on arrival, emphasized the significance of the gesture and the desire of Governor Adeleke to sustain it and other social and infrastructural services.
This trip is very significant in the sense that the impression that the social media and some opposition have been given to the whole world is that Osun is not secured. How can having over 300 passengers arriving in Osun from Lagos, from Adeleke, Ogun State, from Oyo State, now they are here safe with no problem, no pandemonium. Osun is safe, protected. Ramadan Kareem to all our Muslim brothers and sisters. And also I want to advise the citizenry to support this good mission of our amiable governor so that he can have the courage to continue.
I'm one of the lucky people, I'm a person rather, to enjoy the train from Lagos down to Osogbo, free train introduced by our governor, Adeleke. We appreciate the efforts and we are happy to be one of the passengers coming from Lagos to Osogbo. The journey was so smoothly, no disruption, nothing. It was just cool and fine.
Okoyemi Akinyemi, Abntv News, Osun State, Nigeria.